Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello and welcome to Shulini TV, where we get you the latest weekly news updates of the university. I am Ajay and these are the headlines.
Shulini University ranked 16th best private university by Outlook. A major breakthrough in research by Shulini researchers. Book on experiences during COVID outbreak released. Hindi Divas celebrated by storytelling competition.
Shulini University has been ranking high in various parameters. Arushi, what information do you have about the latest high-ranking achievement by the university?
Yes, Ajay, adding another feather to its cap, Shulini University has now been ranked 16th in nearly 600 private universities of the country by an independent survey conducted by the prestigious Outlook magazine. The India Today magazine earlier placed the university at the 20th slot and third in the list of filing patents. Amongst the other high rankings it has got this year are the central government's Atal Innovation Rankings. The university was placed in 6th to 25th band in the country. Education World, India's leading magazine, had ranked Shulini University number 1 for IT-enabled classes.
Teachers, you are the best. It's not just me saying this, it's a ranking saying this. Whether it's NIRF or it's India Today, Schemago, Atal Rankings, the list is long. You are the best. Our students say this, you are the best.
In the Education Ministry's NIFT rankings, the university has been in 101 to 150 band for the last 4 years in a row. These rankings are combined for private and government colleges and institutions.
Thank you Arushi for the details. Now Nikita will tell us about the path-breaking research at the university.
In a highly significant development, the research group in School of Chemistry headed by Dr. Neeraj Gupta has developed new sustainable substitute for obtaining chemicals from non-petroleum resources. We asked him to explain the highlights of the research.
So, sir, first of all, congratulations on your breakthrough research, because developing sustainable substitutes for obtaining chemicals from non-petroleum resources is a big achievement. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So, sir, please explain to us the salient features of this research.
I will say the two aspects of the research. The one aspect is that we are getting chemicals from the non-petroleum resources. So, the petroleum is ultimately made from the plant resources, but it takes millions of years. So now we are trying to do it just quickly with the use of chemicals. So what we do that we can take any part of the plant which is not of much importance, for example the fallen leaves or the bark, and then develop some technology to get the compounds that are analogous to those compounds that we get from the petroleum. So this is the one aspect, and the second is that these compounds are mostly the hydrogenated alkanes. So this is a special class of the chemical compounds. So the another aspect is, for example, if you have some alkene or unsaturated compound, and even though you have a technology to convert it into the alkane, the saturated compounds, so that you can use them as some sort of fuels. So we are working on both the aspects, and I'm really grateful that I get a platform in Shulini University to work on these two ideas.
Absolutely right, sir. So, sir, what can be the long-term implications of the invention?
Yes, that's really very good. As I tell you that hydrogenation of alkenes is a very important aspect. So, from the 100 years almost, in the chemical industry is using metals for this particular reaction. So, developing a metal-free substitute for this reaction is very, very challenging task. And a lot of people around the world, they are working on this problem, and they are trying to find out the metal-free substitute for this reaction. And really, we feel when we start this work in Shulini University with one of my students, Ashima Dogra, we were very scared, I tell you that. She was also sometimes like that, sir, no, it's very hard. No one has reported without metal. How can we do this? That too in Shulini. I said, no, if we are willing, we can just achieve it. And we We face few hardships. We find a collaborator in Italy, so we make a team. Sciulini University, talented student Ashima, collaborator in Italy, and finally we make it. So now we have a very good catalyst, metal-free, for getting alkenes, and this is the article which is published in Royal Society of Chemistry, and it is among top 10 research journals in the world. So we are really very proud on this publication.
Wow, sir, that is really amazing.
Evidently, the findings have long-term implications. Vice Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla congratulated the team and wished them luck for the future projects.
Thank you, Nikita, for the such details. Now, Ankita will tell us about the new book launch.
Sciulini University's Belletristic Literature Society has launched another literary landmark, a book titled COVID Metamorphosis. It is a collection of tales that record how human lives have been radically transformed with the coronavirus rampaging across the globe. The session was presided by Professor Mala Srilala, an eminent academician and author from Delhi University. Pro-Vice Chancellor Sciulini University Professor Atul Khosla addressed the session and appreciated the work done. The stories are original and published, contribution written especially for this collection.
That must have been interesting. Now, Dipesh, what do you have to tell us about the Hindi Day celebration at Sciulini University?
Thanks, Ajay. Hindi Divas was celebrated in Sciulini University on September 14th in partnership with Litwits by holding a storytelling competition for the students. Over 30 students participated. Some of them spoke about fictional stories, whereas others spoke about their real-life experiences. Anushka from B Pharmacy bagged the first prize, while the second prize went to Ruchika from the same department. Aditya from Biotech Food Tech was placed third. Catherine from BSc Yoga was given a special prize for her story.
Thank you, Dipesh, for the information. Now, Ronika will tell us about the special session on mental health.
A special session on mental health was organized at Sciulini University on World Suicide Prevention Day. Mr. Renu Thakur, a therapist and a life coach, gave an enlightening talk and said it was more important to focus on the solution rather than on the problem.
The stories you feed to that subconscious mind, वो दानव बन जाती हैं, वो आपको खा जाती है। वो तो कहता है हुक्म मेरे आका। तो इस जिन को आपने संभाल के रखना है। कैसे संभाल के रखना है? जैसे अंकुश के साथ हाथी को महावत रखता है। You have to be very very positive. आपकी मनस्थिति ऐसे होनी चाहिए, आपका इनर कन्विक्शन इतना बढ़िया होना चाहिए कि परिस्थिति कैसी भी हो, दुनिया आपको कुछ भी कहे, आप देखिए हम अपने आप को शर्तों पे प्रेम करते हैं। शीशे में देखते हैं, ब्रश करने से शुरू होते हैं, ओहो नाक थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, दांत थोड़े से काले हैं, बाल थोड़े से कम हैं, थोड़ी सी मोटी हो गई, अरे तो मोटी होगी तो वर्क ऑन दैट ना, एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट एंड वर्क ऑन दैट। रोना क्यों है? टेक चार्ज, डोंट प्ले द विक्टिम। यहाँ पे कोई नाइट इन द शाइनिंग आर्मर नहीं आएगा आपको रेस्क्यू करने के लिए। आपको ही अपनी परिकथा का वो शहजादा बनना होगा जो बाह पकड़ के आपको उड़ा के ले जाएगा। Don't play the victim.
Dr. Prashant Srivastav, a psychiatric social worker at the Department of Psychiatry, KCGMC Karnal, elaborated on main approaches that can help in suicide prevention. Dr. Anita Chauhan, a psychologist at Sciulini University, stressed on the fact that a person having suicidal thoughts needs more of counseling in the need of hour.
Thank you, Ronika, for such amazing information. Now, we have Ayushi to tell us about a masterclass webinar with an IAS topper.
Mr. Shubham Gupta, an assistant collector in Nasik, Maharashtra, who bagged 6th position in Civil Services Examination 2019, talked about his journey from a UPSC aspirant to an achiever in conversation with Mr. Vivek Atre and Professor Atul Khosla during a webinar conducted by Sciulini University, where he shared his strategy about the 3 components of the exam: the prelims, the mains and the interview, and how he attempted them all together.
I never approached all the 3 different segments of this exam separately. I always thought of preparing all 3 segments together, because that is how the approach of the exam should be. Because the only thing that varies from one segment to another is the way the question is asked and not the questions themselves. So for example, in prelims it will be a little bit more factual oriented. In mains it will be more analytical.
He stated that for a UPSC aspirant, personality development is a very important factor. According to him, even if one is able to crack the exam, he will not be able to deal with people, which is a must for a good public servant. In order to deal with the kind of challenges ahead of a public servant, it is very important to look beyond UPSC, and therefore one must be good in other aspects of life as well.
Thank you, Ayushi. That brings us to the entertainment section. Here is the video selected for Talent Hunt segment. The performer is Najis Kazmi from Pharmacy Department.
निकला था कुछ पारा पिघला था एक आधी आई थी जब दिल से आह निकली थी दिल से रे दिल से रे दिल से रे दिल से रे दो पत्ते पतझड़ के पेड़ों से उतरे थे पेड़ों की शाखों से उतरे थे फिर जितने मौसम गुजरे वो पत्ते दो बेचारे फिर उड़ने की चाहत पे वो सहराओं से यारे वो पत्ते दिल 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 थे वो दिल 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 थे दिल से रे दिल से रे दिल से रे दिल से रे.
How fascinating that was. If you are waiting for a chance to showcase your talent, then do share your videos with us on newsletter@shuliniuniversity.com or WhatsApp on 9888028882. And now RJ Pushpenda will tell us about the upcoming radio shows on Radio Shulini.
Hey guys, Namaste, Salam or Sat Shri Akal. Well, I'm here with this week's list of shows on Radio Shulini. First of all, we have Welcome to Shulini by RJ Arishka, Hostel Ke Yaar by RJ Akansha, and a new video show has been uploaded on our YouTube channel, that is Candid Conversations by yours truly RJ Pushp. So do listen to these shows and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, do mark your presence in tomorrow's, that is 19th September, Tansen Ki Khoj, the Shulini's Best RJ Hunt. So yes, 4 PM onwards, do mark your presence. And that's it for today.
That's all for this week. Signing off for now. We shall bring you the next edition on next Friday. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.
Tell me like a Hellcat.